Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Kohl's to look at some of their home decor. So hey, if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. How beautiful are these wreaths, guys? Ooh, gorgeous, right? And this one is all tulips here. Oh, that is gorgeous. It is by Sonoma and it's $30. Such beautiful spring colors. And this one right here, I think this is called the Forsythia. And this one is $30 as well. What a beauty, guys. I like this one with the beads. How cute is this? It's $30 as well. Nice ottoman here. And they have the larger ottomans down here. This one has the nail trim. These little stands are cute here. These are $60. 3-drawer storage tower right here. And this one is $60. Cute table right there. Let's see. It is $80. These white pots are gorgeous, guys. We're looking at the largest one right now, but they have smaller ones as well. Medium and small on the inside. Aren't these beautiful? Oh my goodness. Love. If you don't have a green thumb, guys, and you love trees, you love greenery, you are in luck. They're in beautiful pots as well. Which one do I start with? Let's start with this beautiful little short one right here. Isn't that cute? This one is $60 here. Now we're gonna look at the one with the white ceramic pot. I don't see the price of the white ceramic one, guys, but if I find it, I'll let you know. And these items, I will list as many items as I can down in the description. Yes. How beautiful are these, guys? Oh my goodness. It's authentic, 100% recycled, handmade in Spain. It is $20. That's it. That is unbelievable. Oh my goodness. And one next to it, $19, guys. How gorgeous is this one? Oh my goodness. And we have these right here. So beautiful. And they have this Luna throw. A 50 by 60. $60. They have it in this gray and this tan. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. This one right here is so huge. It is $45. No More Goods for Life Fall Transcendent Trend Decor, $14.99 to $49.99. Okay. Aren't these beautiful? This one's $25. Wow. Look at this. Ooh-wee. Oh my goodness. This is it right here, guys. Ooh-wee. This one is $46. Have this blue one. Aren't they breathtaking? Oh my word. How gorgeous, guys. And possibly I'll list it down below so that you can shop my link if you like any of these items. And if you decide to shop my links, guys, I appreciate it. I'll get a small commission out of it. And yeah, thank you for your support. This one is $25. Oh, beautiful pillows. Especially this one. And this one is $30. Aren't these beautiful? Oh my goodness. This one is $25 and it's worth every penny. Oh my goodness, look at the butterfly. How beautiful. And that one with the bee that says happy. Oh yes. They even have the paw pillow right here. $25. It is so well made, guys. Woo. I like these clocks down here. Beautiful pictures. Oh yes. Beautiful mirror right there. You even have the arch mirrors. According to the sign, the mirrors are going to range from $15 to $200. So that's not bad on these tall mirrors here, for sure. Real life wall art. Gorgeous. And beautiful throws here. From $25 to $60. Gorgeous. Has the little fringe at the bottom. Made in Spain, luxury throw. This is a 51 by 67, and this one is $25. How cute are these baskets? I like this tripod floor lamp here with the gold legs. It's $50. Look at this one, modern stick floor lamp. That is gorgeous, guys. This one is $80. Yeah, this one is $80. This floor lamp is gold. It has the gold leg, and it is $80. Oh, breathtaking. Woo. Ooh, look how beautiful these throws are. By Sonoma. This one is $40, guys. It's a 50 by 60. Oh, I love this cable knit. Oh my goodness. It's also in this blue gray. Isn't it pretty? Then you have this one right here. This one is $40 in gray, cream, and green. How beautiful. Oh yes. This beautiful cotton coverlet. This is a king right here, and this one is $130. It includes just the coverlet. Then they have this sham here. It is $60. Is it one? It's a 26 by 26. Yes. Yeah, I think you only get one in this one. And they also have this white. How beautiful. So they also have the quilt set, guys. And the quilt set includes a king quilt plus two 20 by 36 king shams. Okay, so they have it in that color, that print, and this print. They also have this beautiful print. Love that. Yeah, so they have the quilt set, and then they have the coverlet. Nice. Oh, somebody took one out right here. It feels so good. Oh yes, great quality. I like this pillow. It says think happy thoughts. And another coverlet. This is the full queen. How much is the full queen? The full queen is $110. Okay, here's a comforter set here by the same company, Draper James, RSVP. The comforter set includes the king comforter, 220 by 36 king shams. Okay. White coverlet, very pretty. $100 for the queen, full queen, and then the king and it's 120. Okay. So many beautiful items to see here, guys. I'm telling you, we can't go over them all, but I love what I see. I'm gonna close out right here, guys, but we will pick it up another day. So thank you all so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.